Can you recreate restaurant-quality dishes in your own kitchen? Why are we so drawn to cooking like celebrity chefs? It's not just about taste, it's about presence. When celebrity chefs like Gordon Ramsay, Garten, or Wolfgang Puck step into the kitchen, they carry an air of confidence and mastery. Watching them work makes even complicated dishes feel possible and exciting. But is that magic limited to television? Cooking like the stars isn't just about access to premium ingredients or professional gear. It's about technique, timing, and a bit of flair. Most celebrity chefs want their fans to recreate their meals, and often design recipes specifically for home success. Thanks to YouTube, masterclasses, cookbooks, and shows, it's easier than ever to learn the secrets behind their signature dishes. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned home cook, you can replicate gourmet meals at home with surprising accuracy. We'll explore dishes from 6 world-famous chefs, breaking down their iconic recipes into doable steps, sharing pro tips, and showing you how to cook confidently and creatively. Let's turn your home kitchen into a gourmet studio, one dish at a time. What's the secret behind Gordon Ramsay's most iconic dish? Beef Wellington is a culinary masterpiece that combines precision with indulgence. The process starts with searing a beef tenderloin and coating it in a rich layer of mushroom duxelles, a finely chopped mixture of mushrooms, garlic, and herbs sautéed until dry. Next, the beef is wrapped in Parma ham and puff pastry. Here the critical step is chilling each layer before adding the next, to prevent sogginess, and to ensure that the pastry remains crisp. Ramsay stresses that temperature control, from the fridge to the oven, is everything. When baking, use a meat thermometer to reach the ideal internal temperature of around 125 to 130 degrees for medium rare. Anything higher and you risk drying out the beef. Ramsay also emphasizes the power of presentation. Brush the pastry with egg wash and score it with a sharp knife for that golden, Instagram-worthy finish. With focus and care, this intimidating recipe becomes one of the most rewarding gourmet dishes that you'll ever make at home. What's the key to Giada's effortlessly elegant Italian meals? Giada focuses on the balance of bold, fresh flavors and straightforward technique. Her lemon spaghetti is a perfect example. It uses minimal ingredients but delivers brightness and depth through citrus, olive oil, garlic, and freshly grated Parmesan. She often relies on pantry staples, olive oil, good pasta, garlic, and seasonal herbs. The goal isn't to overwhelm the palate, but to highlight the natural goodness of each ingredient. Giada's pasta technique is essential. She slightly undercooks noodles and finishes them in the sauce, letting the pasta absorb flavor while staying perfectly al dente. She encourages home cooks to relax and have fun. A rustic touch, a splash of wine, or a handful of basil isn't just allowed, it's celebrated. Her food always feels like a celebration, inviting, comforting, and designed to be shared. Why does everything Ina makes seem so calm and delicious? Ina Garten's signature is simplicity with elegance. Her roast chicken, one of her most beloved recipes, is seasoned with just salt, pepper, lemon, garlic, and thyme, but the results are spectacular. It's all about doing a few things really well. She insists on using good quality ingredients, emphasizing store-bought is fine when it makes life easier. Whether it's vanilla extract, pre-cut vegetables, or bakery bread, she encourages home cooks to work smarter. Ina's style is all about preparing ahead. Her recipes are built to reduce last-minute stress so hosts can enjoy the meal with their guests. Her techniques are grounded in reliability and tested over years of entertaining. Even when making things like chocolate cake or coq au vin, she keeps instructions clear and achievable. Her warmth comes through in every recipe. With Ina, gourmet doesn't mean intimidating. It means thoughtful, welcoming, and always delicious. How did one chef's fusion style change the fine dining world? Nobu Matsuhisa's signature dishes, like miso black cod, combine traditional Japanese flavors with South American influences. His dishes are a lesson in restraint, balance, and umami. At home, his famous black cod recipe is surprisingly accessible. The fish is marinated in miso, sake, sugar, and mirin for 2 to 3 days, then broiled to create a sweet, salty glaze with deep flavor. Nobu also teaches the power of minimal presentation. Simple garnishes like a daikon curl or a yuzu wedge elevate a dish without cluttering it. His plating is an art form, purposeful, clean, and confident. Many of his sauces are simple but punchy, relying on dashi stock, citrus, and fermented miso. These pantry staples open the door to high-end flavor at home. His approach shows how global inspiration and a few quality ingredients can result in dishes worthy of a luxury restaurant. What gives Wolfgang Puck's food its unmistakable flair? Wolfgang Puck brings theatrical elegance to the table. Whether it's smoked salmon pizza or truffle mac and cheese, his food is rich, flavorful, and always a little dramatic. He emphasizes using seasonal ingredients and layering flavors. Even his pizzas start with handmade dough, creme fraiche, dill, and caviar, or a luxurious smoked salmon topping. Puck isn't afraid to use bold ingredients, but he balances them with technique. He teaches emulsification in sauces, timing in cooking proteins, and contrast in textures to make dishes pop. His approach to plating is energetic. He uses height, motion, and vibrant colors to make food visually stunning. Even home cooks can emulate this with a few simple plating tricks. By blending global flavors and refined technique, Puck helps elevate everyday meals into gourmet masterpieces. How does Martha Stewart turn everyday cooking into a lifestyle? Martha Stewart blends gourmet with accessible elegance. Her dishes are often rooted in traditional comfort food, perfectly roasted turkeys, flaky pies, or creamy risottos that she elevates with presentation, timing, and attention to detail. She's a big believer in prep. Her mise en place approach encourages having everything organized before starting. This structure makes even complex recipes more manageable. Martha also teaches from a visual angle. Her books and videos showcase perfect techniques. How to braid pie crusts, tie roasts, or fold napkins are all part of her total experience philosophy. She emphasizes self-sufficiency and craft. Making your own stock, jams, or pastry dough is both rewarding and flavorful. Her advice helps viewers slow down and enjoy the process. For Martha, gourmet doesn't mean snobbish. It means celebrating every part of making a meal, with care and pride. What do these chefs teach us about cooking at home? Each celebrity chef has their own signature, but they all share a love for flavor, craftsmanship, and bringing joy to others through food. They show us that gourmet isn't about perfection. It's about effort, creativity, and passion. From Gordon's precision to Giada's warmth, Ina's calm, Nobu's elegance, Wolfgang's drama, and Martha's charm, there's a lesson in each kitchen that home cooks can carry into their own. They remind us that anyone can cook beautifully at home. You don't need Michelin stars or stainless steel countertops, just a bit of guidance and a lot of heart. Food isn't just sustenance, it's connection. And recreating these dishes is a way to connect not just with others, but with a richer, more expressive version of yourself. So roll up your sleeves, try something new, and remember, great cooking begins with curiosity. I've included complete recipes in the description for your convenience. Which celebrity chef recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell for more gourmet cooking content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.